In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posts and go live using Meta Business Suite. This is an essential skill for managing your business's online presence effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or a social media manager, knowing how to engage your audience through posts and live videos can make a significant difference. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. This platform is a one-stop shop for managing your Facebook and Instagram business accounts. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Meta Business Suite. Once you've logged in, you should see your business homepage. Now, let's create a post. Once on the homepage, look for the Create Post button. It's usually prominently displayed near the top of the page. Clicking this button will open up a new window where you can start crafting your post. Here, you can add text, images, or videos to make your content more engaging. Remember to tailor your message to your audience and make sure it aligns with your brand voice. After you've created your post, you have the option to either publish it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling your posts can help you maintain a consistent presence online, even when you're busy with other tasks. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit Publish or Schedule. Now, let's move on to going live. Live videos are a fantastic way to interact with your audience in real time, answer questions, and showcase your products or services in a dynamic way. To start a live session, you need to click on Home in the Meta Business Suite navigation menu. This will bring you back to the main dashboard. Next, find and click on More, which will expand a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find the Go Live option. Clicking on this will guide you through the setup process for your live video. You'll be able to choose whether you want to go live immediately or schedule your live event for a later date. During the setup, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your camera and microphone are working properly. Before you go live, it's always a good idea to prepare a brief outline of what you want to cover. This helps keep your presentation smooth and engaging. Once you're ready, hit the Go Live button and connect with your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating posts and going live using Meta Business Suite. With these tools at your disposal, you can effectively manage your business's online presence and build a stronger connection with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.